Decoustics is a member of the CertainTeed's Sealing Group, a Saint-Gobain company. Today we are going to feature the correct procedures required to install a Decoustics acoustical wall panel utilizing a mechanical mount. Decoustics acoustical wall panels are available in both fabric and vinyl finishes. They come complete with all required mounting hardware. Before starting the installation of acoustical wall panels, it is important to check that all required components have been received. When installing Decoustics wall panels, it is important to use the wall panel installation instructions as a guide. This guide gives accurate step-by-step installation instructions as well as pictorial images of the actual wall panel components. To help identify the wall panel components, page 1 of the installation guide provides a synopsis. DPC3 panel clip, DLC175 wall leveling clip, DWC7 half wall clip, DWC7 wall clip, screws, wall anchors, a tape measure and pencil, a power drill. Once all of the required components and quantities have been verified, it is time to start mapping out the wall and mounting the installation hardware. Utilizing a tape measure, map out panel locations on the intended wall. When installing acoustical wall panels, the first hardware items to be attached to the wall are the DLC leveling clips. They are mounted along the bottom of the wall, level and properly spaced from the floor at panel joints. When installing leveling clips, only one screw is used to secure the leveling clip. It may be necessary to insert appropriate plugs to properly anchor the screws. Once the leveling clips are installed on the wall, use a level to ensure accuracy. To establish the proper clip locations on the mounting wall, measure the DPC3 clip installation on the back of the acoustic panels and transfer the dimensions to the mounting wall. This needs only be done for the first row of half DWC7 mounting clips. Using a drill or driver tool, mount the first row of DWC7 half clips. The clips are located as per the alignment marks on the wall and are attached with 2 screws, utilizing the appropriate wall plugs. For stacked panels, the first acoustical wall panel is lifted into place and lowered to engage the first row of clips. DWC7 clips are then slipped under the acoustical panel clips, DPC3, in an orientation that spans 2 panels and is angled down slightly from the horizontal. The DWC7 clip is then fastened to the wall with 1 screw, utilizing an appropriate wall plug. The DPC panel clips slide and engage with the bottom panel. The panel is then lowered into place. The DWC7 clip is then fastened to the wall with 1 screw, utilizing an appropriate wall plug. The top panel slides into place with the DPC3 wall clips, engaging the DWC7 wall clips. For side-by-side wall panel installation, the installation of the DWC7 clips requires that they be slipped under the neighboring acoustic panel wall clip, DPC3, in an orientation that spans to the next panel and is again angled down slightly from the horizontal. The DWC7 clips are then fastened to the wall with 1 screw, utilizing the appropriate wall plugs as per the first panel installation. The procedure is repeated as required. Repeat the previous steps and mark the locations of the panel clips on the wall and install the appropriate DWC wall clips. The last panel is lifted into place and lowered to engage the DWC7 clips that are affixed to the interior wall.